I think we need to be a little bit careful about what I call technological solutionism in this area. The idea that it should be possible for a platform simply to flick a switch or to tweak an algorithm and eliminate all instances of content that we might find personally objectionable or illegal. It's a very hard technical task, and in some ways the algorithms have not always proven very effective at identifying different kinds of content. So Google, for example, famously has had a problem with black people being identified by its algorithms as being gorillas. Now, you know, this is no deliberate choice by Google and its designers, but there is something in the way that with the data that's been fed into its box or the outcomes that the algorithms have been told to optimize for, which is giving rise to these sorts of problems. So technical solutions are not easy to implement. But I think the problems in this area and the complexity for regulators goes beyond that, because many of these areas are not straightforward. Controversial content exists in a grey area where reasonable people may well disagree about whether a particular piece of content is harmful or not. And this idea that platforms can flick a switch and eliminate all instances of content unambiguously, and everybody will be completely confident that they've made the right decision, I think is a little bit naive. But that's not to say that platforms don't have a role in trying to improve the ways in which their algorithms optimize the distribution of content. And we might talk afterwards about whether there's a role for regulation in engaging that process.